Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by today's video, as you can see by the title of today's video, we are doing a home manicure. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, my nails looking raggedy. They looking right out. Oh, the light. I'm casting the shadow. Yeah, they look. They just look. Y'all see how they looking? They look ugly. So I'm gonna bust out one of my home manicures. I got my whole kit. Let's do it. So the first thing you will need is some nail polish remover. Excuse the dirt and dust. Some nail clippers, regular old nail clippers. Have some files. These are just from the dollar store, nothing special. I have a buffer, cuticle nipper, cuticle pusher and cleaner. I have some O.P.I cuticle treatment, some exfoliant. I like the Victoria's Secret coconut milk and rose. My moisturizer, I'm gonna mix a little bit of the Aveeno creamy moisturizer with just some baby oil gel. And I'm not big on polish unless I have acrylic on, so normally I literally just do basic top coat, natural shiny nails. Get started. All right, so first we're gonna start with, I know I don't have any polish on. I ain't had polish on in months, but I always like to start with polish remover just to clean the nail real good and get it fresh, you know, take all the oils and the gunks off. So I'm gonna start with a little bit of polish remover. I'm gonna just take a cotton ball. This I got from the dollar store. This is one of those pump ones. So I'll literally just open it up and I just pump it. And then boom, it's saturated just like that. So like I said, I don't have on any polish, but I'm still gonna clean. All right, just like that. All right, so the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and clip my nails. I like them short as I can get them. I'm cutting myself. So y'all see, I don't even have like super long natural nails, but they super uneven. They've been breaking and this and that. I'm gonna cut them as short as I can get them. And my nails are kind of naturally rounded a little bit. Like you can't really tell, but I'm gonna try to do that rounded and follow my natural shape. So all right, nails all clipped. I'm gonna go ahead and soak. Yeah, excuse the little leg on my tripod. That ain't going nowhere. So just ignore it. I'm gonna use my cuticle oil. My O.P.I, not cuticle oil, I'm sorry. I'm gonna use my O.P.I cuticle treatment. I'm gonna put that on before I soak. Getting a little low, y'all gotta shake it down. So this is how I do that. I just literally take the tube, place it along my cuticle, and I push. Just push a little bit out for every cuticle. I got this O.P.I cuticle treatment when I was in beauty school, by the way. I don't know if this still even being made or not. And I'm going to soak. When the soak, just for about like 2 to 3 minutes. Not super long. Alright, I'm all soaked. So I'm gonna call myself. Ooh, spilling. Try to rinse my hands off as much as I can. I'm gonna wipe. And now I'm going to do my cuticles. I'm gonna push my cuticles back. I have my cuticle nipper, so I'm gonna get rid of any dead skin or, you know, any impurities near the cuticle. So here we go. And I'll also clean my nails as well if I have any free edge left at this point. I think I'm good. I don't think I have to clean, but I'm gonna push my cuticles back. I'm gonna take my cuticle nipper. I feel like I don't really have a ton to nip. I don't even really want to nip, to be honest. I feel like I'm okay, but I do see a little bit here. Let's see if we can get a little bit of my cuticles nipped. Okay, yeah, that was a lot, and that looked way better. I take that back. I'm gonna go and do all my fingers. Yep, fingers. All right. All the cuticle nipping. I'm gonna go ahead and file everybody, get into a decent shape as far as they go. Get into a decent shape. So let's see. I don't know if y'all can see like the raggedy or the ridges. Well, I'm gonna try to smoothen the ridges out a little, which they're not bad. Okay. I'm gonna buff. Okay, now we're done. So what I do with this buffing block, I got this from the dollar store. Always start with the green side, and I literally rotate side. Y'all don't talk about it. So I started with the green. I'm gonna go to the yellow, then the pink, and then the white. So, yellow. Pink side, I'm moving down in grades. Like this is the roughest, the least rough, you know, this is the roughest, this is the least roughest. So I go from the roughest to milder to medium to smooth, literally. So pink side time. And you will feel the difference I'm telling y'all, dollar store. In the white. So I'm actually, hold on, I'm gonna wipe my nails off. Being kind of dusty from all the filing. All right, final side is the for real buffing side, the shining side. Y'all see that? It looks so much better. All right, white side. All right, that's all the filing and buffing. Next, I'm gonna dip my hands one more time back into the water just to get them wet and moisturized, and then I'm gonna bring in my exfoliant. Okay, we're gonna exfoliate, so I'm gonna get that ready and I'm gonna dip. Ooh, they got cold. It's cow, yeah. Okay. All right, so dipped. I'm gonna just like pat it dry. Not really trying to dry it. Just take a little bit of my scrub. And I'm finna go, oh, that's my rain, that's okay. And of course, we're focusing on our fingers and our nails here. Yeah, our hands. Try to rinse in this little bitty bowl. Nope, I'm spilling. I know it. Okay, good enough. Set that back aside. Dry. And y'all want to dry real good this time. Like completely dry. So next I'm gonna go straight into my base coat, which is all I'm doing today. Just a super duper natural base coat. This is just a clear coat, y'all. And I'll probably do like 2 layers of it, maybe 3. We shall see. But we doing nice, beautiful, natural nails today. Sorry for the shadow. Oh yeah, definitely doing 2 coats at least. Okay. All right, so it's the first coat. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna do, I think I'm just do 1 more coat. Y'all see? Y'all see? Oh, I'm trying to mess it up. We looking so much better, y'all. It kind of look like that little rosy red tint. Sometimes when I go to the nail shop, even when I get like acrylic, I want like a natural looking nail, and I get like this rosy, it's clear, but it's like a rose red tint. That kind of reminds me of the tint. It looks super natural. So good. I'm happy. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna do 1 more coat. Okay. And y'all, I just done soaked the whole towel. This is my baby's Ninja Turtle towel. I done soaked the whole thing. Oh, Lord, forgive me. I'm gonna do one more coat of the clear polish. And we should be about done. That's it. So we're gonna let this dry and we can move on to the next step. All right. It's not too bad. Not too tacky once I feel it. We'll be all right. So I'm going to remove my rings and the moisturizer. So I'm gonna do just one little drop of my Aveeno. Of my Aveeno moisturizing, creamy moisturizing. And then I have this just like Walmart brand baby oil gel. I love this stuff. I bought the off-brand because the name brand was sold out. But all right, so I'll just rub them both together and massage all the way down the wrist a better. Oh yeah, way better, right? Way better. Way better. Look at my phalanges. Look at them. So much better. Moisturized it. Y'all see it. Alright, well, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but make sure you subscribe. There is more to come, y'all. Promise you. Bear with me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.